Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got my hair to look like this. All the details about this hair is going to be in the video as it continues, so let's get straight into the video.
Hey guys, so today I got sent some goodies from West Kiss Hair, and let's see what's inside of the box. We have a scarf, some lashes, a toothbrush for your edges, leopard print bonnet, and we have a wig cap. Finally, their West Kiss silk bag. So this is the details about the wig. Screenshot that so you know, and let's unwrap or unravel this wig. So it is a chocolate pre-colored wig, and the inside of the wig had 3 clips, so you know your wig is nice and secure. And it has a lot of space, like I'm not gonna lie, inside of it had a lot of space. The hair is also very bouncy, and it is a beautiful body wave wig. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed already. Also, this is what the lace looks like up close. I'm about to bleach the knots, so I'm using BW2 and a 30 volume developer. I'm only putting in 2 scoops, and I winged it with the developer. The way to know if your bleach is perfect for your lace is if it is like a frosting consistency. That's when you know you're ready to put the bleach on your lace. Okay, so you see those flyaway hairs. I like to spray some got2b hairspray in the front, so that way the bleach doesn't touch the actual hair itself. This helps a lot. Like, ever since I started doing this, like, it made my bleaching process a lot easier, and it made it just smooth. Okay, now I'm lightly applying the bleach on the lace. So when you're putting the bleach, like, just make sure you're not very heavy-handed so the bleach doesn't like seep through and mess up the lace. Like, just be very light, leave it there for a few minutes. I'm gonna leave it on there for about 20 minutes, and then I'm going to wash it off. Guys, when I tell you this was like a good idea, like bleaching the knots, because it really did help. As you can see, it's ready to be worn. Okay, but before we put the wig on, we have to pluck the lace. So what I'm doing is plucking the lace by section. If you guys want a more in-depth video on how I pluck my lace, I can definitely do a video on that, but for now I just pluck it as I'm doing and go by sections. As you can see, it's nicely plucked, and then I move on to the next section. I love plucking my lace like this because it has my lace looking really natural like this. It's not over plucked and it's not under plucked. Like, it's just perfect for me and just what I want my hairline to look like. Okay, so I'm satisfied with how my hairline looks, and you should have a clump of hair like this. Now we are going to blow dry the wig to prepare it for install. Before every install, I like to apply concealer that's like a few shades darker on my stocking cap, and then I also like to put the wig on and kind of just see where I want the wig to sit before I cut the lace. So I am going to do a glueless install, and I'm using got2b gel and the spray. As you can see, I applied the gel first and then I put the spray on top. This gives me a super strong hold. Even though it's glueless, it lasts me for up to like a week because I do this method. So I'm going to repeat that step throughout each section. I recommend installing your hair by section because it'll really help with you not making as many mistakes. So as I was cutting my lace, I noticed it was white around my edges because I put too much gel, but don't worry, I fixed it.
Okay guys, so no voiceover on this part, but because the lace is not HD and I did a glueless like install, right now the wig looks white. So what I'm gonna do is spray it with the Got To Be spray right on the area where it looks white. Okay, so I'm just going to tie it down. I'm gonna let it sit on my head for about 10 minutes and then I'll come back with a voiceover.
Okay, we're jumping right into it. I'm creating my side part and then I'm hot combing my hair. I'm gonna hot comb the edges and the part. I find that the hot comb definitely helps with making your wig more flat and it just makes the wig be great. Okay, like you need a hot comb if you want your wig to look more natural because it's gonna really make it more flat and just smooth.
Okay, so now we're gonna create baby hairs. I've already pulled out, you know, some pieces that I want to create baby hairs with. Okay. And I always do my baby hairs the same. Pull out the hair that I want, then cut it at like a slant. And then go in with my mousse. And we are going to go in ever so lightly. And don't go directly onto the lace because your hair will get loose. I need some more mousse. I'm gonna put a little bit of mousse here. Go and then go lightly on. And then we create our sideburns. So we done did this side, we done did this side, and we did this little thing that doesn't make any sense. So now we are about to style the hair. So before I style the hair, I'm gonna tie my edges. Tie it. What I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna go for some huge, big curls, okay? Some big, beautiful curls. I'm using this curler. I've had this for a long time. I got it from Amazon. And we are going to curl the girl, okay? I'm going in a backwards motion. So, all right guys, so I curled the hair and this is how it looks. I'm gonna unravel the edges because I just want to see what I'm working with here before I do my makeup. Now, I don't know how to really feel. I kind of want to just curl this away from my face because I'm just not used to curling my hair that way. Yeah, that's what I'm used to. I'm just used to it being away like that. You see, I'm just not used to it just like sitting like on my face like that. So now that we got my hair back, I feel better now. I feel better. I'm about to do my makeup. So that's the hair. But it's giving. It's giving.
Okay guys, as you can see, I'm like obsessed with this hair, but this is the final result of how the hair looks like with my makeup on and everything. This is literally like the perfect fall look. So beautiful. This hair is soft and it holds curls. It is pre-colored. Oh my god, just amazing. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Look at how happy I am. Like, do you see this smile? I haven't smiled this much over hair in a long time, and I got so many compliments. So if you want this same look, don't forget to click the link in the description box and it'll direct you to the exact wig. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.